Hello students, today we will start the new chapter Garbage in, Garbage out. The topic is Introduction and Types of Wastage. At first we discuss about dealing with garbage. At first we learn about the garbage. What do you mean by garbage? The items or materials that need to be discarded because they no longer serve any purpose for us or are of no use to us. Tons of garbage is generated by us on a daily basis. Garbage is harmful to us, so we put such items in dustbins to be taken to faraway places so that our surroundings are clean and healthy. Waste is generated by all of us and has four main sources. The first source is domestic. These constitute the kind of wastes that are generated by households, offices, schools, etc., and include food remains, fruit and vegetable skins, clothing items, used plastic items, etc. The second is industrial waste. These constitute the kind of waste generated by power plants, chemical plants, cement factories, food processing industries, textile industries, each producing waste specific to the kind of industry they are a part of. The third is agricultural waste. This constitutes the kind of waste that is produced by undertaking agricultural activities. Husks, expired medicines, fertilizers, and pesticides containers, etc. The fourth main source is commercial. This constitutes the kind of waste generated by commercial enterprises, including disposable plastic, cutlery, food items, food packets, textiles, etc. Now we discuss about types of wastes. The first is biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable wastes are items such as egg cells, vegetable and fruit skin, tea leaves, waste food etc., which can be mixed with soil and roots over time by the action of certain microorganisms. This is usually not accompanied by a pungent smell. Now this mixture of soil and rotten organic materials can be used as manure to provide nutrients to the plants. This process of conversion of biodegradable waste into manure for plants is known as composting. The second is non-biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable waste comprises of items that do not rot over time by the action of microorganisms. Examples of such items are metal scraps, plastics, glass, etc. Now we will discuss about recycling. It is a process in which a material which has been used once is recycled to produce something to reuse. Recycle of paper. Recycling paper on a small scale is a relatively easy process. All we need to do is tear up the paper in small pieces in a bucket and pour water in it. Let it rest for a day and pound it to make a thick paste out of it. Spread this evenly over a wire mesh to allow the water to drain water. Peel this layered paste and then allow it to dry in the sun. Now the paper is ready. Thanks.